Hi guys, this is the last memo for topic 19, surface area and volume. Okay. Alright, so this was one of those challenging questions. It says the dimensions of a copper pipe are shown in the diagram. Find the volume of copper that it's made of and give your answers to 2 decimal places. Okay, the important thing to know here is that that middle section is empty. Alright. If it wasn't empty, you could have literally just calculated the surface area of the big cylinder and that would have been the amount of copper. Okay, but because that little middle section is empty, I would need to calculate the big section first, subtract the part that's empty. Okay, so subtract the volume of the part that's empty and get the amount of copper needed. Okay, I'm going to start by calculating the empty section. Alright, so the volume of the small empty pipe will be the normal volume formula of a cylinder, which is pi r squared times height or depth. Okay, so basically how long the pipe is. Alright, my radius, if you have a look here, is 4 centimeters and my height is 20 centimeters. So if I substitute that in, pi times 4 squared times 20, that will give me this amount here. Keeping the decimal places, only round off at the end. Okay, otherwise you might get the wrong decimal at the end. Okay, then I'm going to calculate the large solid pipe. Okay, so imagining that this middle section is actually filled with copper also, I'm going to calculate it. I'm going to calculate the full cylinder, which means that my radius is going to be this whole length, so 4 plus 0,2, so 4,2 centimeters. Okay, so my radius is 4,2, my height is 20. So I do the same thing. Pi times 4,2 squared times 20, that will give me 1108,35388 ... Alright, now that middle section is empty, so I'm going to subtract that volume from the full volume of the cylinder because that part doesn't have any copper and they want the amount of copper that they need. Okay, so they don't want to go and spend money on copper that they don't need. Alright, so I'm going to take the volume of the solid large pipe, subtract the empty part, and I find that the amount of copper that they need to 2 decimal places is 103,04 centimeters. Don't forget your cubed, because we're working with volume. Alright, that concludes the section. Well done, guys.